Welcome to the channel Biotech and Science.
Let's discuss about endoplasmic reticulum. Definition. The endoplasmic reticulum or ER is a complex network of membranes found in eukaryotic cells, consisting of two main types, rough endoplasmic reticulum or RER, and smooth endoplasmic reticulum or SER. Here are key details about the ER. Rough endoplasmic reticulum or RER. The ribosomes are attached on its surface, giving it a rough appearance. Endoplasmic reticulum is involved in folding and modification of proteins that are either secreted from the cell or embedded within the cell membrane. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum or SER. It lacks ribosomes and appears smooth in structure. Function. Function includes lipid synthesis, metabolism of carbohydrates, detoxification of drugs and toxins, and storage of calcium ions crucial for various cellular processes. Structure and interconnectedness. The endoplasmic reticulum is an extensive membrane system, forming a network of tubules and flattened sacs called cisternae that extend throughout the cell. It is connected to the nuclear envelope and plays a role in the synthesis and transport of lipids and proteins. Protein and lipid synthesis. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is primarily involved in protein synthesis, while smooth endoplasmic reticulum is more focused on lipid metabolism and synthesis. Detoxification and calcium storage. SER plays a crucial role in detoxifying drugs and toxins by processing and modifying them to make them more water-soluble for removal from the body. It also stores and releases calcium ions, which are essential for muscle contraction, cell signaling, and various other cellular functions. Role in lipid metabolism. Besides protein synthesis and modification, the ER is crucial for lipid metabolism. It synthesizes phospholipids and cholesterol, important components of cellular membranes, and is involved in lipid transfer and metabolism. Differentiation between smooth and rough endoplasmic reticulum. The rough endoplasmic reticulum is prominent in cells that are actively involved in protein synthesis and secretion, such as pancreatic cells producing digestive enzymes or plasma cells generating antibodies. Meanwhile, cells involved in lipid metabolism, like liver cells, have a more developed smooth ER. ER in muscle cells. Muscle cells contain an extensive endoplasmic reticulum network called sarcoplasmic reticulum, which stores calcium ions and plays a pivotal role in muscle contraction and relaxation by releasing and sequestering calcium during muscle activity. Connection to diseases. ER dysfunction is implicated in various diseases, including certain genetic disorders affecting protein folding, neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, and metabolic conditions such as diabetes.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.